Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to make some turon. Turon is a very popular dessert, fried dessert in the Philippines. We usually make turon with saba bananas, but I don't have the saba bananas this time. I only got the plantains, but it would just work well. I got this from Walmart and they may not look so good. As you can see, they look old and you might think that it may be rotten, but it's not. It's just the peel. So you'll be surprised how it would look like inside. So we're gonna use the plantains and some wrappers, lumpia wrappers right here. It is still in the bag because you don't want it dried up. So I'm just gonna open it later when I'm ready with the bananas after I've sliced it. And then we're also gonna use some cornstarch and water mixture right here in order to seal the turon. And then we're also gonna use some brown sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and slice this. I'm gonna show you it's still good. Look at the inside of that. See, the inside is perfectly good. Now this one is still okay. May just have a little bit of a dark spot over here. We can just cut it off. There you go. That should be good. It is a little slippery too, so just be careful when you slice it. Okay, so now we're gonna get the lumpia wrappers out of the bag because we are basically ready with our bananas. So you can get this from any Asian store. They usually carry this. So like I said, do not get it out of the bag if you're not ready with the bananas because they will just dry up. And separating them is a little tricky. You just have to be patient with it. You just have to be really careful to separate them because they may break and rip. Alright guys, so we are ready with the ingredients here. We got the wrapper separated and we are ready to put the bananas in it. So we got the plantains here and as you can see, I'm just rolling it in the brown sugar. You can substitute white sugar if you don't have brown sugar. And then you're just gonna seal it with the cornstarch water mixture just to make sure it doesn't open up when you fry it. And just like that. I'm thinking one slice in a wrap is probably okay. I think it's a big enough piece of banana in it already. But if you get smaller pieces, you can put more than one in there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and fry it. First, we have to heat up some oil. So we're gonna have to make sure that the oil is hot before we put the turon in it. We are ready to fry the turon. So we're just gonna fry it until it's golden brown. So guys, so far I have 6 fried turons here. This is basically from one plantain banana. I still have some more to fry, but I'm gonna just fry them later. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut one and just show you how crunchy it is and what the inside looks like. So this is what it looks like inside. The banana is cooked and crunchy on the outside. I'm gonna cut another one. Not so sweet inside because we didn't really put too much, but if you want it really sweet, you can add more brown sugar with it, with the banana. But I think the way we did it is just perfectly sweet. And the outside is really crunchy. So guys, if you have any question or suggestion, please don't forget to leave your comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I would really appreciate your support. If you want to share this with your friends, that would be great too, so they can also try this and they might even like it. Again, thank you so much for stopping by and hope to see you on my next video. Take care guys. Bye.